Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, awubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhiphi ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje sewungawenza-ke nje lapho usicindezele ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje ngilethele-ke ividiyo kaRamaphosa-ke laphana-ke ngenkathi-ke eyokhankasa laphana i-ANC ikhankasa e-KZN eNanda-ke. Ube-ke sebuzwa-ke ngamagalelo-ke e-ANC eveza nanokuthi-ke akasabile lutho e-KZN. Uthi-ke ayikho-ke enye iphathi-ke engamelana ne-ANC e-KZN-ke, waze wafaka negama-ke le-MK-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi mina-ke wezwa ngami, ngidlalela-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele yona-ke ngawakho amandla. Manje sesicela kuwe laphana ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le vidiyo lena-ke uhambe-ke uyongena kuma-comment section-ke ufike ushiye uvo lwakho-ke laphana-ke usicabangani-ke masicindezela ibhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhiphi ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele. Thank you.
The ANC has an overarching presence in KZN, and all other political parties that are emerging yesterday and so on are trying to nibble at the edges, and all they will ever do is to nibble at the edges. The ANC has great hegemony here, and we will emerge victorious because the people of KZN and indeed the people of South Africa love the ANC, and we're going to surprise you and many others who think that no, the ANC is not going to have a clear majority. We are going to have a clear majority. So even a recent making of a party called MK Party will see what the ANC is all about, even here in KZN. I have no doubt about that. Our strength and our support here is quite strong.